Let me ask you something shocking. What if I told you that you quietly lost $50,000 every month and didn't even notice it? No scam, no robbery, just small money leaks hiding inside your daily life. This doesn't mean you had $50,000 in your bank account and it vanished. It means your money is slowly slipping away in ways that feel normal, safe, and harmless. Most people think money problems come from big mistakes, like buying an expensive car or quitting a job, but that's not how it usually works. Money doesn't disappear loudly, it disappears quietly. Imagine a bucket filled with water and there's a tiny hole at the bottom. You don't see the water rushing out, but after some time, the bucket is empty. That's exactly how money leaves most American households. Your paycheck comes in and you feel okay for a moment. Then rent is paid and a big part of it is gone. Groceries come next. You walk into the store for just a few items, but the bill is higher than expected. Gas for your car doesn't feel expensive one time, but filling up again and again adds up fast. None of this feels like a mistake, yet your money keeps shrinking.
Then there are the sneaky expenses. Streaming services, music apps, food delivery fees, subscriptions you forgot you even had. Each one feels small, so your brain ignores it. On top of that, credit cards make spending feel painless. You swipe now and worry later. You pay the minimum each month and think you're doing fine, but part of every future paycheck is already spent. What's really happening is simple. You're working today to pay for yesterday. Next month, you'll work to pay for this month. Small choices stack up quietly. $5 here, $20 there, little treats that feel deserved. Over time, these tiny leaks turn into a massive amount of money that you never even noticed losing. Here's the good news. If money left your life quietly, it can come back quietly too. You don't need to panic. You don't need to stop enjoying life. You don't need to track every single dollar. You just need awareness. Start noticing where your money goes without judging yourself. When you're about to spend, pause for 1 second and ask, will future me be happy with this? That one small habit changes everything. Most people don't struggle with money because they're bad or careless. They struggle because no one ever explained money in a simple way. Now you see what's really happening, and once you see it, you stop losing money quietly. You start keeping it quietly, slowly, calmly, without stress. That's how real money change begins.
Now that you understand how money quietly disappears, the next question is simple. How do I stop this from happening without stressing myself out? Most people think the answer has to be complicated, but it really isn't. The first thing to understand is this. Money isn't just about math, it's about habits. Just like brushing your teeth, if you skip it once, nothing happens. If you skip it every day, problems slowly show up. Money works the same way. Think about a normal workday in America. You're tired after work. Cooking feels like too much effort. So you open a food app and order something quick. It feels like a small choice, but when delivery fees, service fees, and tips stack up, that small choice quietly costs a lot more than you expected. The problem isn't food. The problem is tired decisions. When we're tired, we choose convenience, and convenience almost always costs more. That's why most money leaks happen at night, not in the morning. Here's a simple habit that helps. Before you spend money, pause for just 10 seconds. No math, no guilt, just ask one question. Will tomorrow me be happy about this? Most of the time, the answer comes quickly, and that short pause is often enough to stop an unnecessary swipe. Now let's talk about payday. When a paycheck hits, most people feel relaxed and spend faster. But in reality, that money already has jobs waiting for it. Rent, groceries, bills, gas. Smart people don't rush on payday. They slow down. They look first. That small delay changes everything. Credit cards deserve special attention. They aren't evil, but they hide the pain of spending. When you use cash, you feel it leave your hand. When you swipe a card, you don't feel anything. That's why small purchases stop feeling real. One simple trick is to imagine paying with cash when you use a card. Picture yourself handing over real bills. It sounds silly, but it wakes your brain up. Many unnecessary purchases stop right there. None of this needs to be perfect. Real change doesn't happen in 1 week. It happens slowly. You notice one money leak and fix it, then another. No pressure, no punishment. The truth is, you weren't losing money because you're bad with it. You were losing money because no one showed you how money quietly leaves your life. Now you see it. And once you see it, things start to change. Quietly, calmly, for the long run. If this video helped you, subscribe for simple money lessons every day.